Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to highlight highest or lowest values in a range in Excel. So if you have sales data and you want to quickly visualize highest or lowest sales in a range of cells, in this case year on year, you can quickly use Excel's conditional formatting to get this done. So for year one, I want to highlight the highest sales. You can go to Home. Conditional formatting is located under the Home button. Then here I've highlighted the year one sales. I go to conditional formatting. You see top bottom rules. So in here we are going to highlight top 10 items. This is what we are going to use, but we are not really going to highlight 10 items. We just click it and then reduce this to 1. So if you want top 5, you can make it 5 here. So because I chose 1, I have the highest value here. You can also change the color. So I can make this green to highlight this. So this gives me for year 1. Now, because of this orientation, I am not able to do all the years at a go. So I can copy this format I've applied to year 1 onto the rest of the years. So to do that, I'm going to go to Home and you see the Format Painter. I'm going to do this more than once. So I will just double click it to copy the format and then apply to year 2. Highlight year 3, apply, highlight year 4, apply, and year 5, apply. So when you double click the Format Painter, the format stays with you until you press Escape or you press back the Format Painter brush. So this is a quick way to now see which numbers were the highest in each respective year. You could also do lowest, doing the same thing. Highlight the range, go to conditional formatting, same top bottom, but instead of top you can use bottom for the lowest. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.